Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting access and hardware right. Go straight to account settings and enable voice chat. This unlocks the feature for your account. You must complete Roblox's age and ID verification so the system allows voice. Do that now with a clear photo of your ID. Use a headset with a microphone so audio is clean. Test input and output in your device sound settings. Once done, you'll be ready to join any game that supports VC. You now enter a game that supports voice chat and locate the VC controls, usually speaker and mic icons, or a dedicated menu. Configure input and output levels so your teammates hear you without clipping. Pick push-to-talk if you want control, or open mic for continuous talk. Decide between proximity voice for spatial audio or party voice for stable channels. Make sure to mute noisy users and adjust individual volumes so conversation stays clear. This keeps communication effective during play. Finish by verifying permissions. Ensure Roblox has microphone access in your operating system and in the app or browser. If voice fails to connect, leave and rejoin the server or fully restart Roblox. Transient network and device locks often clear that way. If problems persist, recheck your verification status. Voice won't work without it, or clear the app cache to remove stale settings. One key troubleshooting tip: re-verify your age/ID or clear cache before contacting support, since that resolves most VC problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.